we have given decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point, and decimal point is always between ones, or we can say units, and tenths. So we have given decimal number, and we have to round this decimal number first to the nearest unit. How we do this? We use the same rule which we use for rounding whole numbers. So it means first we will rewrite our number. We have 83.999. Next, we have to decide which is the last digit to keep. So first we need to round to the nearest unit. We have to find the unit in our number and underline this. The unit, like I said, is to the left of decimal point. First digit to the left of decimal point is our unit. We have 3 units, or we can say 3 ones. Next, what we have to do? We have to check what we have after this underlined digits. After underlined digits we have 9. When we have 5 or more after underlined digits, we have to increase our underlined digit by 1. So we have to add 1 to our underlined digit. And what else? Everything what we have after underlined digits becomes 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, decimal point we need to copy, and now we have 3 plus 1 is 4, and we have 8. And these zeros after decimal point we don't need to write. So we have 84 point, decimal point we can copy. This was rounding to the nearest unit. Next, we have to round our number to the nearest tenth. So let me copy our number one more time. We have 83.999. Tenth. Tenth is always first digit after decimal point. So first we have to underline the digit to which we have to round our number. So to tenth, so we underline 9. And next we have to check what digit is after underlined digit. Is 9. When we have 5 or more, it means 6, 7 or 8 or 9, we have to add to underlined digit 1. So we have to add 1. And what else? Every digit after underline digit will be now 0. So we have 0, 0, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0, and we have to add 1 to the ones. So will be 1 plus 3 is 4. And don't forget about decimal point. And next we have to copy 8. So 83.999 round to the nearest tenth is 84. We can copy decimal point. This was rounding to the nearest tenth. Next, we have to round to the nearest hundredth. So let me copy again our number 83.999. First we need to find where is hundredth. First, after decimal point we have tenth. Next is hundredth. If you have problem with finding our hundredth, tenth, 10,000th and so on, you can print the place value chart of Finally Understand website and use it. So first we need to underline our digits to which we have to round our number. We have 100, like I said. After decimal point, we have 10 first digits. Next is 100. So we underline again 9, because the second digit after decimal point is 100. Next, we have to check what we have after this underlined number. We have 9. When we have after underlined digit 5 or more, we need to add 1 to the underlined digits. So we have plus 1. And every digit after underlined digit now will be 0. So this 9 will be now 0. And now we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0 and we have to keep 1. So now we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So again we have to write 0, copy decimal point and add 1 to the next digit. So we have 1 plus 3 is 4 and we have 8 to copy. So we got 84 and we can write decimal point. This is was rounding to the nearest 100. This is my solution.